What? What is that? Oh my god. Are those birds? Whoa, that is so cool. Whoa, they just flew off. Holy crap! Oh my god, it's a bird apocalypse. Oh my god. Oh no, they're gonna come in my yard. Oh no, they're now in my yard. Oh no. Oh my gosh. There's some fighting over there. And there's some staying there trying to look for food. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is a lot of birds. Whoa. Now they're fighting over it. Oh, yeah. Now they're fighting over it. I think they're having a little debate over it. Some of them are trying to look for that bread my mom put out. Which, I didn't expect this to happen. Oh my gosh.